In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. Whether you need to review the raw code, check tracking elements, inspect styling, or share the structure with a developer, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. It only takes a couple of minutes once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and marketing software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head to the top navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing and then select Email. This will take you to your main email dashboard, where you can see all of your drafted, scheduled, and previously sent emails. Now that you're inside the email section, the next step is to click on the Sent tab. This is important because we specifically want to access the HTML of an email that has already been sent. Once you click on Sent, you'll see a list of all the emails that have gone out from your HubSpot account. Find the email you want to inspect. Then, hover your mouse over the name of that sent email. When you hover over it, you'll see additional options appear. Click on Actions. From the drop-down menu, select View Email or View Email Online, depending on the version of HubSpot you're using. When you click this option, the email will open in a new browser tab. This is the web-hosted version of your email, exactly as recipients would see it in their browser. Now, here's where we access the actual HTML. Once the email preview is opened in the new tab, right-click anywhere on the page. In the browser menu that appears, choose View Page Source. Every major browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox has this option, although the wording may be slightly different. When you click View Page Source, a new tab will open displaying the full raw HTML of that email. You are now looking at the complete underlying code of your HubSpot email. This includes all of the CSS styling, the table structure used to format the layout, any inline styles applied to text or images, and also tracking elements such as HubSpot's tracking pixel and link tracking parameters. This view is especially useful if you're troubleshooting formatting issues, verifying how personalization tokens rendered, checking mobile responsiveness structure, or copying sections of code for reuse. Just keep in mind that HubSpot emails are typically table-based and heavily styled inline to ensure compatibility across email clients. If you need to search for something specific inside the HTML, use Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac to quickly find keywords, links, or style attributes within the source code. And that's it. That's how you access the HTML of an email you sent from HubSpot. Simply go to Marketing, then Email, click the Sent tab, open the email using View Email, right-click the page, and select View Page Source to see the full raw HTML. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, practical HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.